This light is absolutely amazing. It is so nice and bright. Took about a minute to set up, super easy. You just screw these things together. It comes with a little remote right here. I haven't connected it to my phone, but these things are usually pretty easy. You just find the Bluetooth, turn it on, find the Bluetooth and connect it. And then you can take pictures or start the video from the remote. So handy when you have that. This light, watch what it does. You can put it straight down, which is very handy if you're recording a puzzle or some kind of craft. And then with the turn of a knob, you can easily lift it up. I'm going to blind you here for a second. And then look at this. You can bounce it off the ceiling. You can turn it partially into a room. It goes all the way around. You can adjust this any direction. Now, this is a little finicky, this little knob. If you lose that knob, you're going to be sorry. So be careful not to lose it. It's loose. It doesn't stay tightened. It easily will just come right off of there in a real hurry. So be careful not to lose it. And then here we have the phone holder. It can go horizontal or vertical. It can also move up and down the pole. And if this is too tall, maybe you want to film on the floor, you can disconnect these poles right here very easily. I don't want to do it because it's got a cord and my cord is very tight right now, but you can disconnect it right here and then remove the middle pole and then put it down lower and you can sit on the floor and use it. So you will not need another light if you have this one going because it's that bright. Fantastic. This is a nice heavy metal. The bottom part of it is very nice and sturdy. I'll show you that. The underside is a non-slippy material, so it's harder. It's not moving all around. It's really great material. And then the phone holder is just plastic. That is going to work so nice. It's not just a ring light. It is an entire circle light. It's more like having full lights where a ring light doesn't give off quite as much light. We can turn the light down, and it has modes too. So you could do cool, warm, daylight. Let's check it out. Oh, and there was a more cool light. Even more cool. That's so yellow. And there you go. All the different colors of the rainbow. Well, not all of them, just 3. Fantastic light. I highly, highly, highly recommend this thing. It is absolutely brilliant. Pun intended.